Hi there, my name is Archie or Chad for Sciency-Skincare. And do you suffer from terminal diseases and injuries such as fatal organ failure, brain damage, liver disease, cancer, heart disease, and acne? No. Well, look no further. Now presenting Sciency-Skincare, the miracle cream that may or may not be certified by the FDA. Yeah, cut the camera. You must be wondering, what is Sciency-Skincare and how does it work? I don't think I said that. Allow me to explain. Well, back at the abandoned warehouse, labs, our verified scientists have created a serum using our knowledge of the cell cycle. Sciency-Skincare can repair horrific, dreadful, horrendous, and even horrifying injuries such as acne by giving your body new stem cells, more specifically, multipotent stem cells, which are cells that have the potential to develop into multiple specialized cell types for a specific organ or tissue. Pluripotent stem cells are similar to multipotent stem cells, but they don't typically develop into the tissue surrounding embryos. Cell specialization is when a stem cell takes on the role of a specific cell for a specific part of the body, where it will then carry out important tasks for specific organs. That is why Sciency-Skincare is mostly made up of adult stem cells, because most adult stem cells are multipotent stem cells. When an organ is damaged, more specifically when the tissue forming that organ is damaged, Sciency-Skincare introduces new stem cells in the damaged area, which will then be stimulated to differentiate into specialized stem cells for that specific organ. This in turn repairs the damaged organ. But even better, the stem cells will continue to repair the damaged organ through a process I like to call the cell cycle. The cell cycle is the process at which a cell will grow and then divide, and then the process will start all over again. Each phase of the cell cycle could be identified as G1 for gap1, S for synthesis, G2 for gap2, and M for mitosis. During the G1 phase in the cell cycle, the cell grows in preparation for DNA replication, which will happen later on in the cell cycle. During the S phase, the cell will synthesize a copy of its DNA, like copying and pasting genetic code. To be more specific, the cell's DNA is copied within the nucleus organelle. Then in G2, the cell will grow some more, where it will then prepare itself for the next phase, mitosis. G2 is also an important checkpoint where the body checks to see if the cell is damaged or not, and determines whether or not it should pass through mitosis. Then mitosis. Yup, our growing cell is officially divided, making somewhat of a clone of itself. The cell divides the synthesized DNA in cytoplasm from the S phase to make two new cells, otherwise known as cytokinesis. But I hear you asking, what if a cell is damaged and gets multiplied through mitosis? I didn't say anything. Well, fear no more. If a cell is damaged, abnormal, or commonly referred as mutated, the cell cycle's checkpoints will see that and send them away to a secret cell cycle phase called G0. But wait, there's more! Sciency-Skincare's new and improved formula includes embryonic stem cells. I don't want to know what that is. What is an embryonic stem cell, you ask? It's a key ingredient in Sciency-Skincare that can produce any type of cell in the body. But obtaining an embryonic stem cell results in the destruction of an embryo. And do people like that? Yes. So come on down and try Sciency-Skincare today. Buy Sciency-Skincare today for only $5,998. Your sold in 2 acorns. Side effects include anthrax, botulism, tuberculosis, cholera, coronavirus, dengue, Ebola, hepatitis, HIV, influenza, Lassa fever, listeriosis, Lyme disease, measles, the plague, the black plague, rabies, rotavirus, SARS, tuberculosis, tularemia, West Nile virus, the Zika virus, and the sudden urge to binge watch Seinfeld.